BL15 with your 4-in-1 loader. This loader opens and closes. This is a quick detach loader. So you have a lever under here which you open, which is controlled by pins. Along here are your prop stands when you want to take off your loader. Come along to the end, you pull these pins and you disconnect your hydraulic hoses. Next, we have your BH150 Branson Backhoe attachment, which is connected under your tractor, piped by your hydraulics. You have a seat which flips up. You have your 2 directional handles here and your levers for your jacks. And your boom swivels. Next, we go to the smaller version, the BH100 for the 00 series. We have your jacks again, your handles, your seat which flips forward, and it is also connected to the hydraulics of the tractor. And over here, we have the BL05 with a 4-in-1. This loader opens and closes. Again, you have a quick detach lever at the front, your prop stands for letting it down. Pull 2 pins either side and disconnect your hydraulics. Now, I'm going to start the tractor and show you some of the movements of the loader. So if you come over here, you see your handle. This lifts the machine up, lifts the machine down. You have a little button here. You squeeze this, and this allows you to open and close your bucket. If you look to the top of the loader, you'll see a pin. Once that pin becomes level with the other, that shows that it's level. You also have an option to put it into level lift. So you drop your loader down, push the lever firmly, and that will allow you to level lift as it holds into place. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to operate the backhoe. So the first thing you do is you drop your jacks on either side. Like so. This handle operates your boom. So you can see there's quite a nice reach on this machine. This allows you to swing from side to side. That's the basic operation of your backhoe.